You may need to do this if you need to replace it, because this one's pretty beat up. Maybe you want to upgrade it to a better model, which I'll leave one link in the description below that is awesome. To remove the head, you need to find this notch. There's one on this side and then one on the other side. We're going to use this one here because it's easier to get to. Now we're going to spin the head around until the notch that's on the base plate of the head lines up with this notch here. Just like that. Both holes are lined up. We're going to take our screwdriver. You can use a small Allen key or screw, whatever fits in here. Put it in. And then you're going to continue to turn your head clockwise. This might be really tough to turn depending whether this has been removed or not. You can then turn this and twist off the head. To install the head back on, we're going to line it up with the bolt and we're going to turn it anti-clockwise, holding this base ring steady. Be careful not to cross thread it, and turn it as tight as you can by hand. Line up the slots again, drop your screwdriver in, and then turn this anti-clockwise until you can't anymore, and that's it tight. And that's how to remove and install the head on a Craftsman string trimmer.